Hello, today I'd like to show you our integration with Laserfiche. And the cool part about this technology is that we have the ability to kind of do a direct integration with them. Not only can we give you the document, but we can pass along its metadata so that you have that for long-term storage within Laserfiche. So what I'm going to do today is process a lockbox file. It's kind of a file where we get multiple documents in one. And what you're going to see is that we have the ability to pass that over to ABBYY Vantage, and then we will pass that over into Laserfiche. So while that's getting processed, let me show you that workflow. So in this case, a document's going to come in. We're going to assemble the document because it's one PDF with multiple documents in it. We're going to then classify each document. We're going to extract critical information from those documents. If we need a human review, we will pass that to human review. And then we'll, of course, output that over to Laserfiche. So let's go check on the status. Our status is we are waiting for review so that we can take a peek at that document. And here you can see what we have. So this is a very standard lockbox example, but we have, a table of contents, and then we had some scan dividers, and then we may have a denial form. We also have a patient record. We also have an explanation of benefits. And the cool part about our technology is, first off, we broke apart the document, so we were able to classify each individual page or pages. We were able to then, from there, extract based on that document type. So for an EOB, for example, we may want header information and claims. And then for a denial, we may want the basic information, like who the patient details are, and is this a denial, or what kind of authorization did we receive on that. So once we're done completing here, I'm going to hit our complete button. And what you'll see is that we have our integration over to Laserfiche completed. So if we look at our workflow one more time, we are now here, where we're going to pass that information over to Laserfiche. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and refresh our Laserfiche system, and we'll go up to our claims process here. When we go up to our claims process and we go into our active accounts, what you'll start seeing here is that now those documents that we had processed over in ABBYY Vantage are now stored in Laserfiche from a long-term repository perspective. So we have this document, we now have its document type, and we have all of the critical information that we've extracted off of that document here for permanent review. This is a perfect example of where we can use two best-in-class technologies to do the extraction, the classification, and then of course the long-term storage over here into Laserfiche.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, would you do me a favor and click the like button, the subscribe button, and even click that notification bell so that you can be notified when we post new videos. Thank you.